Good morning, everybody. Today we're looking at the MD Products bottom garage door seal and the MD Products top and side garage door seal. And here's a little better look at the side and the top. Kind of see it's a rubbery stuff here. Comes with a whole bunch of nails, so it looked like I could do about every 4 inches with the nails here. Here's a better look at the bottom seal. Has these aluminum channels. And we got 4 of these. Each one of these things is 4.5 feet long. And then it comes with a whole bunch of this rubber stripping, and you can kind of see the profile there, and that'll slide into the channel. So anyway, that comes with enough screws, comes with 20 screws, and that should be enough to go about every foot. Okay, well, consistency is the key for making this thing look good. So you can see I put a black mark every 4 inches along here. And then to make sure it lines up, I got a little pencil mark. So I took a 5/8 inch and I put a 5/8 on every one of these things so that I'll make sure that this thing's straight and even and nice and professional looking. Well, it seems to form a really good seal here. And I'll cut that off at a 45-degree when I marry on the top one. Here's the old thing. See, it's in pretty bad shape. I just got to take and cut all this thing out of here and put the new door seal in. Okay, I marked every foot starting from one end here, and then I pre-drilled with a 3/32 inch drill. Okay, now I got myself a hand drill, some tape, the screws, and a 1/4 inch net driver. I got the thing taped up here, and now I just got to drill through the frame and then put the screws in. Okay, here's my weather stripping. You can see I got everything screwed on up here, and I just started from the end. I'm just going to slide it through and then cut it to length. All right, we take a look at this door. We can see all the light coming in. And then we got this new door with the weather stripping. See all the light. And here we don't see any light. Take a look at the bottom here. Nice and sealed. Very nice. On the outside. See, it sits nice and flush. Looks real nice. Take a look at the other side. Kind of go up. Very nice.